In the vastness of space, galaxies drift silently. But sometimes, they meet. And when they do, it's one of the most violent and beautiful events in the universe. Stars rip apart, planets are thrown into chaos, and entire civilizations could be wiped out. But what really happens when galaxies collide? Will our own Milky Way one day face destruction? Stay with us as we uncover the incredible secrets of cosmic collisions. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, is a massive collection of over 100 billion stars. But it is just one of trillions of galaxies in the universe. Each one, like a floating island in an endless ocean. And sometimes, these islands collide. But don't be fooled, this is not a simple crash. It is a slow, violent, and breathtaking cosmic ballet that can take millions of years to unfold. When galaxies collide, their stars don't actually crash into each other. The distances between stars are so vast that they pass by without direct impact. But the invisible forces, gravity, dark matter, and supermassive black holes, begin their chaotic dance. Gravity stretches and bends galaxies into bizarre shapes, tearing apart entire star systems. Clouds of gas collide, sparking the birth of millions of new stars. At the center of most galaxies lurks a monster, a supermassive black hole, millions or even billions of times the mass of our Sun. When galaxies merge, their black holes also come closer, locked in an inevitable death spiral. One day, they will collide, releasing more energy than a billion supernovae combined. This isn't just a distant possibility. Right now, at this very moment, the Andromeda Galaxy is hurtling toward us at 110 kilometers per second. In about 4.5 billion years, our galaxy will collide with Andromeda, reshaping the night sky forever. Will Earth survive? Or will our solar system be thrown into the darkness of deep space? After millions of years of chaos, the two galaxies will settle into a new form, a giant elliptical galaxy, much different from the beautiful spiral shape of the Milky Way today. Galactic collisions don't just happen on small scales. Some of the most epic and violent cosmic battles involve entire clusters of galaxies. Some scientists even believe that the shockwaves and energy released in a massive collision could trigger something even more mysterious, the birth of a new universe. Galaxies have been colliding for billions of years, and they will continue for billions more. These events shape the universe we live in, creating new stars, planets, and even the conditions for life itself. The next great cosmic collision is coming, but will humans still be around to witness it? Only time will tell.